Kia today presented its all-electric compact SUV, the Kia EV5. It brings a new era of electric mobility to the compact SUV sector to meet the needs of millennial families. Distinctive Kia design elements, such as the wide nose and solid bonnet, combine to form a sleek digital tiger face, eclipsing the traditional grille to convey a clean and powerful impression. Further enhancing the front exterior design, the EV5 incorporates three-dimensional signature star map lighting formed by daytime running lights. At the rear, an extended and lower spoiler maintains the SUV's distinctive profile while improving aerodynamic efficiency and signifying the EV5's status as groundbreaking electric vehicle, born to deliver a new age of safe, sustainable family mobility. The EV5 exterior color options include a total of 9 glossy colors and 1 matte color. Inspirational interior space enhances enjoyment of travel. Kia will launch the EV5 during the latter half of 2023, initially in China, and will unveil further product details at the Kia EV Day scheduled for October. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the new EV5?